Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans. Welcome back. I'm going to be memory planning the week of August 17 to the 23rd with this beautiful kit called Southern Belle from Graceful Muse Paperie. I just have the full boxes and the bottom washi, so if you're interested in this spread, please keep watching. So this is actually the week that I filmed a functional plan with me video, which is already live on the channel. I will link that down below if you haven't seen it yet. So because I have all my plans essentially in that video, I don't want to be redundant and go through my plans today. There has been quite a lot of talk in the planner community about trying to make it a bit more like welcoming and inclusive of everyone, especially like smaller accounts, and including like mine. Mine is a small account as well. So Planner Addict with three T's and then two underscores after, Mia, she actually made a tag on Instagram with a few questions about getting to know the getting to know you so that you can like essentially introduce yourself into the planning community. And I thought that would be fun to do today. So yeah, well, before I get into the questions, I'm gonna just say that I'm gonna link Mia's Instagram down below. So thanks, Mia, for coming up with the tag. I think it's a great idea, and I'm all for more people joining the community. I know for me, it was um, uh, like really intimidating to start posting um, pictures of my planner on the internet. So I'm sure as I go through the questions, I'll get a little bit more into that. So let's just start with number one, which is name, age, and how long you've been planning. So I'm Justine. I just turned 30, and how long I've been planning, I would say like well, first of all, like what do you call planning, right? So um, I would say that I've essentially been planning forever, like for as long as I've had assignments in school that I needed to keep track of. So maybe I don't think I had a planner in elementary school, but definitely middle school I did. So I would say I've been planning for as long as or since I've been like 11 or 12. But if you're talking about like decorative planning, like sticker planning, I'd say I've been doing I've talked about this in a previous video, but I started bullet journaling and I started doing that in 2013. So if you count bullet journaling, I guess I've been like decorative planning for 7 years now. So question number two is, when were you introduced to the community? I think that's also like a vague question because essentially when I started bullet journaling, that's when I started looking up YouTube videos about how to bullet journal or like ideas to bullet journal. Of course, like I saw like the creator of bullet journaling, like his YouTube video, just introducing you to the concept and the techniques that he like envisioned for that type of planning. And then from there, I found like other bullet journaling YouTube channels. Can't think of any of the smaller ones at this time, but obviously Amanda Rachely is like a huge. She's grown her channel to be a huge platform at this point, but I remember I'd watch her videos all the time. Um, and so, I mean, I don't know if that really counts as part of the community. So I guess after bullet journaling, my roommate had introduced me to the Happy Planner and Happy Planner sticker books. And actually, at this time, I had already known about Nina of Live Plan Love, she actually we actually know each other in real life. We have a lot of mutual friends. So I had known about her um like sticker planning videos already. And so when I got into the Happy Planner and Happy Planner sticker books, I kind of already was aware that or that there were people who planned with stickers. I just always thought Etsy shops were a bit too expensive. Um, so I got into happy planning and watched a bunch of those videos and I wasn't really too into them. Just the planning style wasn't really similar to my aesthetic. So I would try my best to kind of like plan similar to um, people who planned in the planner who shall not be named. And yeah, I guess that's essentially how I came to know that there was a community. So, question number 3 is first planner you discovered. Again, that would be like my agenda in middle school or bullet journaling or happy planner, depending on how you kind of look at that question. Number 4, first sticker shop you purchased from. So I actually looked back at my Etsy account, and the first sticker shop that I had purchased from is called PMD Designs. They make a lot of like small functional stickers. And then the two shops quickly after that were Tiny Little Tulip and Sweet Ava's Paper, which has now been renamed. I forget the name of that shop now. So, question number 5 is preferred planning style. I love planning in a 7x9 planner or an A5 wide with a little space between the 1.5-inch columns. I love planning with a clean, minimal white space style with lots of foil and pastel colors. So number 6, the first few planning channels you found. So of course, Nina of Live Plan Love. Then I would say Jasenia, the Planner Sophisticate, Kiara of Paper Princess at the time, Mandy of Mandy Plans, Sadie of Sadie Plans. I don't think she makes videos anymore, but I loved her videos. Um, and then Stick With Me Shop and Coffee Monsters Co. I guess those would be all of the channels that I had mostly watched when I first started watching these planning videos. Okay, so number 7, trends you've committed to the most. And I would say definitely all the foil. Give me all the foil. I need it in my life. I love scallops, like half scallops or like circular scallops or, like scallop corners. I just love that. I love all the bows. um, and yeah, I guess I would say that's it. Number 8, trends you wish would come back. I honestly can't think of any, so I'm gonna skip that question. Number 9, what does your family or significant other feel about you playing with stickers and planning? To my knowledge, my family doesn't know. I think they would think it's like funny and trivial. As far as my man, he likes that we obviously have our own hobbies that we like to do, and this is mine. So like I think he just accepts that and he thinks it's cool. I mean, like I have him watch all my videos and all that. Like he doesn't exactly understand um like why it's so appealing, but he absolutely like supports me. And he also has all the time in the world to play video games, so he can't talk. Okay, number 10, do your friends or family watch your planning videos or follow your account? So that's actually something pretty interesting because I started my Instagram account in like March or like very early 2019, and I mostly did that to not clog my personal Instagram feed with sales. Like I wanted to like make sure that I was following planner shop accounts so that I could keep track of all the sales and all that and not miss it. So that's why I started my Instagram, and I had put a few like happy planner posts on there, and because of the Instagram algorithm, some of my friends in real life did find it. And at first, I remember being like so embarrassed, like I wanted to delete the account. And yeah, I mean, what I did was like I changed like the email address, or like I removed my phone number or something like that, just so that it would be harder for the Instagram algorithm to like recommend me to friends in real life. And like I just remember being horrified and really embarrassed. But like at this point, now that I've like restarted posting on my Instagram, which I did like at the beginning of the summer, a lot of my friends actually follow me and actually watch my YouTube videos, and I really, really appreciate that. At this point in my life, I just feel like, you know, this really makes me happy, and like if my friends think, like if someone thinks that's dumb, then like fuck you, you know, it doesn't matter because it makes me happy. So, and then number 11, if you could shop from only one shop, one sticker shop, which shop would it be? And I'm gonna cheat here and I'm gonna say Sweet Bella XOXO and Planning World. So yeah, those are all the questions, at least all the questions that I have time for. Again, I will link Mia's Instagram down below so that you can answer the questions as well. Please do if you have an Instagram or a YouTube video, and then if you do, please comment down below with a link so that I can watch your video. Here is the finished spread. I hope you enjoyed watching the plan with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.